Okay guys, 2021 Kia Telluride. Present you from Real Deal Auto. S model, all-wheel drive. Rebuilt title. Bumper was missing. Most of the damage just right here in this area. Rack on the roof. Leather seats. Sunroof. $59,603 on the miles. It's your adaptive cruise. Heated seats. Locking diff, all your drive modes, auto hold. Bluetooth. Apple CarPlay, if you can see there. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Floor mats. See that VIN. Three seat belts back there, makes this a 7-passenger. Captain seats. I think these tires are brand new. Smart key there. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.